2012 International Pro Star Tandem Axle Day Cab Tractor. This has a 13-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine, 400 horsepower. We'll walk around the exterior here. This truck is equipped with a wet line kit. We can't hop up in the cab. Alright. Looks like we got 547 on the dash. We do have a check engine light we're going to take care of. The interior is very clean. There's your wet line controls right there. This does have a 10-speed manual transmission. Got a place for a CD up here, lots of storage. If you have any questions, feel free to call 727-484-8583.